everyone. It's time for you to open your gifts from me.
Oh, now, wait a minute, honey. You cheated. We agreed that we were not going to exchange gifts this year.
I know, but I saw this and I just had to get it for you.
Well, you are the best.
Oh, sweetie. Okay. Oh, open it up.
Okay. Oh, a cell phone. Oh, wow, I love it.
Shoot.
What? Honey, it's great.
I'm sorry, Frank. I really thought you would like that.
Susie, I do like it.
It's okay, honey. I can take it back.
Oh, Susie, boy, that is a terrific gift.
Mom. Please don't. It's obvious that Frank doesn't like it. It's okay. Honey, Allison, honey, why don't you open up your gift that I got for you?
Okay, but you know, Dad's gift was really cool.
Well, yeah, I thought so too. I wish he did.
Honey, I do think it's cool.
It's okay. I'll take it back. Okay, Allison, open it up.
Okay. Well, the paper's really cool.
Oh my God! It's an Xbox! Oh, shoot. No, Mommy, it's exactly what I wanted.
Great gift that
Susie,
is,
another
honey.
terrific gift there. Terrific.
Boy, really blew it this year, didn't I? And Christmas was going so well.
Didn't you just hear her? She just said that she thinks it's great.
I tried, honey. Mommy tried.
Susie, stop doing that right now. Now, the Xbox is terrific and the cell phone is great.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Christmas isn't about the presents. Mom, I want you to open your gift.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm
Look for it.
sure it's just gonna be great. Yeah. Oh, boy, it's gonna be good. I just know I'm gonna love it. Oh, look! Oh!
It's great!
Oh, you're perfect! It's a portable DVD player! Oh!
Hooray for Mom's gifts, everyone! Susie, I do not know why you torture yourself and everyone else like this every year. Now we're all smiling and enjoying the holiday.
Here, Mommy, I got you this.
Oh, sweetie. Oh, I don't deserve a gift, especially to the rotten gifts I picked out for you guys. Gloves. Woo.
Yeah. They're your favorite color.
Oh, yeah, you're right there. I do wear a lot of piss yellow.
Honey, that's not appropriate.
Oh, I got gloves again. Imagine that.
Wow, no, Susie, you say thank you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I will. I'm just going to go put these with all the other gloves that I have. Because I tell you something, I sure do get a lot of gloves. Gloves from you people. Happy freaking Christmas. Me? You know, next year, that's all you people are getting. That's it. You know now you're getting gloves. No, or better yet, you know what? Christmas is canceled next year. It's just canceled.
What is your problem, you rag bitch?
Give me that DVD player. I want it. Give it to me. Give it.